Hello guys, so here we are going to see how we can use this Chrome extension to help ourselves to write the manual testing task more fast and accurately. So here is the website. We can navigate over here, install the Chrome extension, and after installing, we can proceed with the further task. So for example, here I had navigated to my Jira platform where we have to navigate to the more Jaffer Essential. I had already installed the Chrome extension Jira Helper, so let's see how we can use it while writing a new test case. So first of all, we have to click on this new test case button, fill the values over here like name, objectives and all. For now, I am just pasting here test and create an edit. Now what we have to do, like this interface, it will be visible for us. Just we have to copy the prompt over here, navigate to the Gemini websites, paste this prompt and explain, write the test cases according to this prompt. Write the test cases according to this prompt cases. Okay. So for now I had asked for the dummy test cases, but you can paste the actual information over here and it will be parsed and give the actual result for you. So what we can do, just copy this response. As soon as we have copied, just paste over here, and after pasting, I haven't copied it. Okay, here as soon as I paste, click on the parse steps. As we click on the parse step, here are the 5 test cases already present. We can edit them anytime as we wanted, or even we can directly navigate to over here on our Jaifer Essential page. Just click on the fill steps in Jaifer scale. According to these steps, it will be start selecting the columns and start filling the data over here. And we can see it will keep continuing unless and until all the steps are not filled. If we refresh or stop filling and again start filling, it will start filling the data from the first step. So we have to be careful according to that. If already created the steps, that will be moved the down. So we have to careful with this, and this is a very simple way to write the test cases. It will be save our lots of time instead of writing everything manually. So this can help us to write the task. That's it guys, thank you for the day.